Welcome everyone to another video showing you how to play the tunes in the Guitarist Way Book 1. Today, page 7. Starting with Merrily. Look out in Merrily. For me, there's one particular thing that makes the tune really effective if you use it, is that you've got this crescendo mark here. That means get gradually louder as you go. Notice there is a repeat sign, so I will play the tune through twice for you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Three again. Two, three, four. There you have it. Next, morning mood. Now, again, a couple of things. In morning mood, notice we're in 3. 3 beats per bar, 3 beats per bar, count to 3 in each bar. Look out for the note at the end that lasts for 3 beats. Also, on the second line, we've got a crescendo mark, but then we have a beat going in the opposite direction. That, of course, means diminuendo or get softer. So you'll hear me getting softer as the tune ends. There's a repeat sign, so I'll play the tune twice for you. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Now next, study number 19. Study is a duet part for Merrily. So again, you can play Merrily while I play Study, or Study while I play Merrily. Okay, it's great fun. This one introduces an idea that's used so much in guitar playing. You may notice it says here in the middle of the tune, leave finger 1 down. Now, I talk about superglue in this tune. It's as if when you get here, this note here, which you're going to work out whether it's a B, C or a D, you keep it held down and you keep it held all the way until you get to the end of this bar. So in other words, it's as if your finger 1 in this case, gets stuck until you get to here, when it can lift up and play the last couple of notes. Look out for that, because what that means is that whilst this one's sticking, you need to use a different finger. And you can see in this book, I've written 4, 4, 4. And the reason I've written 4, 4, 4 there is because I use my baby finger for that note right there. And indeed, I use finger 4 just there as well. Okay, and I think I might have written superglue remover just here and superglue there. It's as if here the superglue sticks, and just here somebody puts some superglue remover and lets your finger release. Why do we do it? Well, the reason we do it is because it speeds us up. In fact, I'm going to play this tune quite slowly, but in real life, when we're playing tunes quickly, it can sometimes be enormously helpful to have a finger ready. Well, I don't know if you can see behind my fingers there, but that finger 1 isn't moving. Now, if it was wandering around, every time I needed it, I'd have to move it back to where it was required. So that's the secret here. Look out for your superglue and your superglue remover. I'll play this tune twice through. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super glue. There we go. And still stuck. Still stuck. And super glue remover. Now again. Oops, a little slip there, sorry. And I'm going to play it 2 more times. Here we go. Stick the finger. There we go. Keep it stuck. Last time. Super glue sticks. Sticky, sticky. And super glue remover. There it goes. It bounces away. Thank heavens you don't get stuck to your guitar for the rest of your life. Oh dear. There we go. Now the last tune is a lovely scale actually. Yeah, I will play it with a metronome as well. And it's quite nice because on the first line of the ladder you get these lovely 2-beat notes. Nice, slow, careful scale playing, letting you practice through the notes of G to D, G, A, B, C, D. But on the second line we play 2 of each as 1-beat crotchets, so it feels a little faster, and you'll see what I mean when I play it through. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now double time. Here we go. 2 G's, 2 A's, 2 B's, 2 C's, 2 D's, 2 C's, 2 B's, 2 A's, and a G at the end. 2 and A, repeating now, and a B, and a C, and a D, and a C, and a B, and an A. Second line, here we go, look out. 2 G's, 2 A's, 2 B's, 2 C's, keep the finger down, 2 D's, 2 C's, 2 B's, 2 A's, and then at the very end a nice long G for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we are, page 7, book 1. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe so you can keep up to speed when new videos are posted. See you soon, and thanks for watching.